Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make eggplant parmesan. You could slice these lengthwise. I'm doing mine in rounds. Doesn't really matter. It's whatever you prefer to do. I'm slicing these about half an inch or just less than half an inch thickness. So now what we're going to do is dredge this in some flour and then in egg, and then we're going to fry them. So I'm just going to add some salt to my eggs and some pepper. You could use whatever spices you like. I'm just keeping it simple because that's how my mom kept it. So in a skillet, you're going to heat some oil. Here I have about 1/4 inch high oil. So what you want to do is just shake off any excess flour. The flour will help the egg stick to the eggplant. So you're going to fry these until they're just a little golden, and they fry up pretty fast. Now, if you didn't want to make egg parm, what you could do after these are fried up, you can eat them the way they are. They're delicious. You see that nice golden color? When making eggplant parmesan, you could bread it after you've coated it with egg wash, but we don't do that. My mom's never done that, but you could certainly do that if you wanted to. All right, so now it's time to assemble this. So what you're going to do, you're going to put some tomato sauce, just a little bit at the bottom of your dish. And this tomato sauce, by the way, is the one from my previous video, my basic tomato sauce. You'll find the video up above. And to that, I like to sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And now you start layering. You can make this ahead of time too, and once assembled, before you bake it, you cover it and freeze it, or leave it in your fridge overnight. So now you just top it with some sauce. Parmesan cheese and your mozzarella. forgot to put some basil on the other layer, but anyways, I like to put just a little bit of basil, fresh basil. It's a nice fresh taste. So I'm going to cover this now and bake it at 350 for about 40 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly. So I've taken this out of the oven, and now like lasagna, you gotta let this sit for a while before you cut into it. 30 to 45 minutes. Some people let it sit longer. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try. You'll see for yourself just how good it is. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye for now.